Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate image in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and now you need to click on Picture, and you need to open from this device. So I click on it, and then you need to select the image which you want to load. For example, I'm going to select maybe this one image, so I click on it, and I click Open button. After that it will be successfully inserted here. So if you would like to rotate this image, you need to click and hold left mouse button on this one icon, and then you will be able to rotate it to the right or to the left. Everything depends on your preferences. So for example, maybe I will rotate it to this position, and how you see the image has been successfully rotated. Alternatively, you can click on this one icon to rotate your image, and you will be able to rotate it left to 90 degrees. And how you see the effect is really similar. Of course, you can try to rotate to the right if you want, so I click on this one option now, and how you see it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.